Iakwahwatsiratatie. Welcome to kanien'keha, lesson 17. Today we're going to be looking at noun stems. A noun stem is basically the basis of kanien'keha word formation, and they help you to determine what prefixes you're going to be using. In kanien'keha we have 7 noun stems which are based on the vowels of our language. So we have consonant stem, A stem, En stem, O and On stem, as well as I stem. Today we're going to be focusing on A stem. So we're going to take A stem nouns and incorporate possessive prefixes. So for A stem nouns, you're going to be using AKW as your possessive prefix. So you take the possessive prefix and you just connect it to the noun. So for example, ahta, shoes, my shoes, agwahta. And then for your shoes, zahta. His shoes, raohta, and that H is very important. And for her shoes, agohta. So hat, anuwarore. My hat, agwanuwarore. Your hat, zanuwarore. His hat, raunuwarore. Her hat, agonuwarore. So the next noun we're going to be looking at is pants. Everybody has pants. Tosterda, that's how you say pants. So my pants, agwatosterda. Your pants, zatosterda. His pants, rautosterda. And her pants, agotosterda. And then shirt, because we have shirts too. Ajadawi. My shirt, agwajadawi. Your shirt, zajadawi. His shirt, raujadawi. And her shirt, agojadawi. Lastly, because it's winter, gloves. My gloves. Agwatnyanawa. Your gloves. Zatnyanawa. His gloves. Rautnyanawa. Agotnyanawa. So when trying to identify whether or not it's an A stem noun, a good rule of thumb is to check the first letter. Usually it's A. Ahta, ajadawi, atasterda, anuwarde, atnyanawa. But it's very important to remember that this isn't always the case. Sometimes you get words like osokwa, color, ogarda, dirt, ogerda, snowflake. Those start with O, but they are in fact A stem nouns. So for a quick recap, the A stem possessive prefixes are AKW for mine, as in agwahta, my shoe. Yours is just S, and ahta, zahta. His, RAO, raohta. Hers, AKO, agohta. Now it's lesson 17. Within this lesson, we use some of the resources from kanien'keha, and for that we would like to thank them and acknowledge them.